Hi everyone. Well, Goldman Sachs have got a new report out which says buy these 23 stocks that offer dividends that are double the market average and also offer outsized upside growth potential. That's according to them. So we took their names and analysed them across my filters, which are a lot more stringent than theirs. We looked under valuation, we looked for cash flows, momentum, we looked at volatility, Sortino, the consistency of returns, and we looked at things like revenue growth. And when we went through all of these are the names which came up on my list. Pioneer Natural Resources and Devon Energy Core. Doesn't mean the others won't go up, doesn't mean the others might not even do better than these. But by adding those extra filters, it gives me an additional sense of security and assurance. So where did it leave us? Well, this is where it left us. That's Pioneer Natural Resources. You can sort of see a rough upward trend that I've drawn there, and the kinds of returns we were looking at when it first hit our radar, which was some 6 months ago. Well, no, not 6 months ago. It was about 3 months ago. And now, 3 months later, we think it's still got a 33% upside potential. Okay, so that's the first one. Next one, Devon Energy, and you can see the direction that we're expecting it. Very easy to know if we're wrong, because if it substantially moves below that upward trend line, then we know we're wrong on this play. And we can also see which direction we're expecting it to go in. Doesn't mean it can't pull back. It has some red bars there, but the general direction of travel is noted. So thank you, Goldman Sachs. But our own approved filtered list had this as well. So Goldman's might want to consult with me. Have a look at my campaign for $1million.com to teach 1 million people for free how to be better at investing. Lots of free resources, tools, my Telegram channel, my YouTube channel, and the like. Thank you very much.